Hello, in this video, I'm going to give you a sneak peek into my online course, Holistic Lifestyle Basics. So this course it's kind of like a beginner's crash course in how to live a holistic lifestyle. So a holistic lifestyle is body, mind, and soul, or spirit. And the reason why this is such a great lifestyle is because it gets you back to nature. It aligns everything about you back to how we were meant to live, physically, mentally, and spiritually. So the rest of this video, I'm going to insert the actual one of my slides from the course. So you're going to be seeing one of the videos that kind of gives a recap of what the course is about. Enjoy! Hello and welcome to Holistic Lifestyle Basics. So in this course, we are going to learn what holistic health is, why it's important, and how it works. So let's get started in this introduction video. So first I'm going to clarify what is holistic health. So humans are made up of three things, and that is the body, the mind, and the soul or the spirit. So the body is the physical, and the mind is the mental and emotional, and the soul or spirit is the spiritual. So why is holistic health important? So there's three main reasons, and I'm going to go in depth with these three reasons now. So humans are nature. We are made of the same elements that everything in nature is made of. So this is one reason why holistic health is important, because we are a natural being and we need to strive to keep ourselves that way, because the more unnatural things that we do, then the more we are opening the door for disease and unhappiness. So the other thing here is that everything is connected. So the mind and the body and the soul are all connected and they need to be addressed together. This is why oftentimes you might have a physical problem and you might go to the doctor and let's say you have anxiety. So you go to the doctor and you try to find a physical reason why your anxiety exists. Now, you might not get an answer, or you might not get the correct answer, because most doctors are only looking at the physical. They're not looking at the mental and spiritual. So, since those things are all connected, your anxiety could be because of some mental issue, or it could be because of a spiritual issue. So, those things all need to be addressed together because they are connected. And the last one is holistic health heals the root cause. So, the root cause of all poor health and unhappiness is the fact that we lose our connection with nature. We lose our connection with our higher self, and we lose our connection with the universe. So, these things all operate on the other levels, like I said earlier. The spiritual level and the mental and emotional level, that is where it starts. And once the problem gets deeper, then it starts to manifest as a physical problem. And this is why all of these three things together are why holistic health is so important, because it's really the only way that you can get to the root cause. How does holistic health work? So the first one on this list is subtlety. And holistic health works in a very subtle way, and this is why people often don't want to use holistic health practices, because they are subtle and they might not notice a difference. They might rather go and get a prescription or a drug or something that is going to work instantly. And that is not what holistic health does, because holistic health focuses on prevention. And prevention is where you build a lifestyle and you create habits and behaviors and routines that end up transforming your life in such a way that it minimizes all of your health issues and prevents future ones. And it also works on consistency. So, this is another reason why routine is so important, why creating good habits is so important, because you can't just do something once and have it fix the problem. Now, that can work in mainstream medicine and conventional medicine, because drugs are meant to go right to the problem. And they will heal it right away. Well, I shouldn't say heal, they will treat the symptom right away, as long as you keep on taking the drug. And so this is why holistic health works on a subtle level because it's healing you from the inside out. It's healing the root cause, and it takes a long time for something to manifest. You might have heard that, any sickness that you can get will all start years before it actually becomes a problem. And that is why holistic health is a subtle healing system because it's going to go back to the beginning basically and start healing yourself from the inside out. And that is something that requires consistent habits and consistent routines. And that is why holistic health is the safest and the most natural way to heal yourself. All right, so let's get started with this course. All right, now that you've seen a little bit of what the course is about, if you're interested in checking out more, here's how you can find it. So go to holisticlifestyleguide.com, and here at the top, you will see Holistic Lifestyle Basics online course. You can just click on that, and that will take you to the sales page, or you can read all about it. And then at the very bottom, you can see the cost. It's $47 on Udemy and Gumroad. You can get it on either one, depending on if you've got a membership or if you're signed up as a member to either one of these, whichever one's easier for you. They both offer lifetime access and a money back guarantee. So, and then there's frequently asked questions and all of that good stuff. And there's even a video, so you can watch and see a little more. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you know anybody that is interested in holistic health and could benefit from taking this course, send this video their way. And thank you so much for watching.